Hey guys, we are here with TechSavvy Realty Solutions. I'm Kelly Burns. This is my mom, Kathy Burns, and we are going to teach you about a really cool program called Bubbles. Before we talk about that, please do us a favor and like and subscribe to our channel. Teach you how to record your screen. Let's say it's an inspection report and there's some issues on there you want to bring to their attention. Maybe you can't connect with them at the same time. Maybe that client works nights and you are obviously working days. So you can send them a link or an email that will allow them to just watch this video.
Yep.
You could, let's say I have an inspection report. We want to go over that. We're not on the same time zone or whatever the case. Maybe it's an investor that's buying from another city. You can do this video screen capture and then send that over to the clients and basically say, feel free to make notes, questions. It goes back and forth, right? So do you want to show us on your screen how an example of how you can use this?
I sure will. I'm going to share my screen right now. So I picked on a subject here of what it is that I want to talk about with my clients, an inspection report that I had. Let's say I want to talk to the client. So now I've got the inspection report open. It's on my screen here on the computer. I'm going to go over to my extensions. I'm going to find Bubbles. I'm going to click on the share screen. It's going to give me a countdown. And it also had an option of camera. If I wanted to be in it or not, I've got that off. And it's telling me right down here that I am now sharing my screen. So now through, and let's say in this inspection report, I was concerned about whatever is going on here. So I would be open up to that page. I would make some comments, or maybe my client had sent me an email saying, what the heck is going on with that? And they would have referenced a page and a number on the inspection report. And I can go in, I say, see what you're talking about. Let's say all these leaves on here are clogging up that gutter. That's a concern. And so I would talk to them that may be something that we just address after closing. We don't need to do that within the inspection report. Bottom line is I can go through it and just break it all down. And now when I'm done, I just hit stop sharing, and then I'm able to send it to whoever I want to send it to. And I just type that in.
So go ahead and type in our email, which is Tech Tips for Agents.
Tech Tips for Agents
at Gmail. Feel free to use that if you have any questions for us. And let's just see what it looks like if you were to send that over to us.
Let's just say here is the inspection report. So
and when this comes across, I believe Bubble is a free tool if you only want the link to last no more than 7 days. If you need it, let's say you're creating SOPs or something like that for your people that work for you.
What's an SOP, Kelly? What's an SOP, Kelly?
It's a standard operating process, basically. So what we're looking for is if someone's going to create an SOP, then they could have that video link last longer. That's a more expensive, like you would upgrade on this program. But for what we're looking for, and most agents, I feel like as long as they look at it within the first 7 days, we're good. And I maybe would just preface that in the email when you send it to your clients.
And there it is in our email. So it pops open.
Okay, good. So it says expires January 31st.
Let me explain that.
Okay.
There was a time limit when I'm asking them to respond by, and that was in the top corner up there. It gave them a time limit. The videos will last for 7 days, but if I wanted an answer right away, I can do a time limit for them. And that's why it's doing it.
Okay.
Yep, I like that too. So there's the video. And what's cool about this is when they open it up, I want you to see that part too, because that piece, now the video's there, they go to start it, and it's going to walk them all through. If they want, like, see as it's going along here, if I wanted to click to comment, it stops it at whatever line that is. And let me get our heads out of the way here. And I can type in here, and it's going to know in the video right there. It can say, I'm confused about this or blah about this. What are you talking about? And then I hit post, and that stays. I'll get our heads over here. That stays there until I hit share. So once I hit share, now that immediately goes back to me, the one who sent it. and I see our whole train of events here. It's not like, what is she talking about? It kept everything all together. And that person, originally me, can then see it and respond to that.
Got
And you
it.
can even make a brand new video in Bubbles and put it in there. So you can upgrade it and that you can check that out for yourself. But free is good. I have the free version and I use it a lot because usually my videos are quick. It's just like, I need this here, know about this. If it was
Yeah.
something I was going to save, then I probably would want it. And because you can download these videos as well, you could create training pieces for your agents. So those you may want the pro version because if you're going to do something like that, like you've got like a buyer story, like let's say you do a video for your buyers and you want to create that video in there. You might be able to do that in here. See if you like that or not. That's just one option.
Awesome. So at the end of this, we're going to actually put it in a link down below is the top 10 ways you can use Bubble in your business. So be sure to check that out. Subscribe, like down below, and be sure to keep coming back to our channel for tons of tech tips of how we can make your business better. And be sure to share this with anybody that is in the real estate industry for us.
Yes, and we've got so many good things coming up.
Yeah.
Flipbooks, Canva, um, just how to even do a podcast. So many cool things. This is tech related, and that's what we're looking for. Give us some insight. What do you want? AI is like the hot topic. How's that being all woven in? We've got so many good people that we're interviewing coming up. So again, stay connected, guys.
Yeah. Thanks so much. We appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.